Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Halor ka Jingpyntrei Surok Western Bypass usumbot mentirang ba ka jelau ba Preston tensong ulong ba ka sarkar kadang pet benya ba kumno banyo yaki jaka bat layat ho bagidan kat tu ka nitli ki jaka ki ba ka sarkar kladap siu hindi wan mi tikwepat ban Jingpyntrei Henry minta ulong bagidan ki jaka ki ba ka sarkar kampat siu bat on siu tar hadu bana pentikna ke Jingpyntrei jono yaki ta ki jaka Hagi jaka ki beladap siu, ubah Preston ulong baka sarkar. Keladap IT haka NHIDCL, bahkan sedang no ya kakam. Nekidan ki beriu, ki buan penthod. Halor kani, ulong baka sarkar kela aibor, haki DC bet SP chong ke East Khasi Hills, bet Ripoy District, bakin le ya ka Donkam. Bat Lada Donkam ban bu di ki bor Pahara, ban lat ni ka Jingpyntrei ru, ka sarkar, ka hap le ya kata, namar baka surok kedina ka benta ki pat ba, day tang benta ka Jingpyntrei Jingpyntrei jaka shimet.
Yes, I would like to inform all of you that few stretches we have challenges, no doubt with. Some of them sometimes after payment made by the district collector, again the other so-called landowner they claim. You know, these kind of things are there. But as per law, let me tell you, as per law, we will process those grievances, those petitions made by everybody. Doing that, we have already made it very, very clearly. See, as long as your ownership issue is not resolved, payment will not be made. And number two, possession of land has to be done. So right now, let me tell you, I think in fact, possession of land has been taken over. And we have also handed over to the NHIDCL. However, physically, when the work started, some group of people, they tried to create problem. But let me tell you one thing, I've instructed the DC, both the DC, be it Ripoy District, be it in the East Khasi District, let the law take its own course. If you need security, we will give you security. And don't allow this drama to continue to happen. Because ultimately this project is meant for the public at large. It is not meant only for few landowners who have got maybe the personal interest.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu saw po hajar hadu hundriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar seneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hundriu san pra hinyo lai pra